Auntie.
How are you?
How are you?
Parts of body.
Daddy.
Parts of body.
What's the body?
Head.
Head.
Head చూపి. Eyes.
Eyes.
Nose.
Nose.
Ears.
Ear.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Chin. Chin. Neck. Hands. Legs. Stomach. Stomach. Thigh.
Toda.
Toda. Hairs. Eyebrow.
Kalam bomba.
Very good, Kanubamma.